Hello fitness fam, welcome back to Bolt Nutrition channel, your go-to source for real fitness facts. I am Parav Pandya and today we are diving into a game changer supplement that has been fueling lifters, athletes and most of the gym enthusiasts for decades. And that's creatine. If you have ever wondered why everyone is hyped about it and if it's the real secret weapon for your gains, stick around as we are about to break it down. Creatine is like a power boost for your muscles. It helps you lift heavier, recover faster and push past your limits. Think of it like a regular battery you will get through a workout. Supercharged creatine battery, you will dominate your workout. But it's not just for bodybuilders and gym bros. Athletes, vegetarians and even older adults can get benefit from it. Let's talk about why creatine is a real deal. Alright, science time, but I'll keep it simple. Your body makes creatine naturally by using two amino acids, lysine and arginine. You can also get some from red meat and seafood, but it's not enough to fuel your intense workouts. Now here's how creatine supercharges your body. First, boost your energy reserves. Second, increase strength and performance. Third, enhances your muscle hydration. Fourth, even helps your brain function. First, think of it as your muscles' backup power source. Second, more reps, bigger gains. Third, fuller and stronger looking muscles. Fourth, better focus, memory and long-term brain health. And the best part, it's one of the most researched, safest and most effective supplement out there. No cap. So, who should take creatine? First, athletes and lifters for more power and more performance. Second, vegans and vegetarians. Third, older adults. Fourth, casual gym goers. Second, since creatine is mainly in meat, you are missing it out. Third, helps preserve muscles and improve brain function. Fourth, if you train hard, creatine can help you with better recovery. And if you are wondering which type of creatine should you take, creatine monohydrate is the OG. It's backed by science, cost effective and proven to work. Taking creatine is super simple. Here's how to use it right. First, 5 grams daily. Second, mix it with water or juice. Third, no perfect timing. First, no need to overcomplicate it. Second, it dissolves easily in liquids. Third, pre-workout, post-workout, morning. It works as long as you take it consistently. And don't stress about the loading phase. It's optional. Just stick to 5 grams of daily dose and let your muscle soak up the benefit. Before we wrap up, let's burst some creatine myths. Myth 1. Creatine is a steroid. Nope. It's found naturally in your body and food. Myth 2. Creatine causes kidney damage. False. Studies show it's safe for healthy individuals. Myth 3. It only works for bodybuilders. False. It helps athletes, lifters and even non-gym goers. Bottom line, creatine is one of the best, safest and most effective supplement for fitness. Period. Alright fitness fam, now you know why creatine is a must-have in your fitness journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bolt Nutrition channel for more health and fitness tips. If you want to take your workout to the next level, grab your Bolt Nutrition creatine from the link down below. See you in the next one. Till then, keep grinding, keep lifting and stay fueled. Hey fitness fam, welcome back to Bolt Nutrition channel where we break down fitness myths and give you the real facts behind the supplements. I am Parav Pandya and today we are tackling a hot topic, creatine do's and don'ts and how to take it and what mistakes to avoid. Let's break it down. Creatine is one of the most researched supplements in the world. Boost strength and power to fuel high intensity workout, enhance muscle recovery to speed up post-workout repair, replenish ATP or energy sources, improves endurance and performance. Simply put, creatine helps you train harder and recover faster, but only if it's taken in right way. To get most out of the creatine, follow these proven do's. First, do take 3 to 5 grams per day, an optimal dose for muscle saturation. Second, do stay hydrated. Creatine pulls water in your muscles, so don't forget to fuel your body. Third, do take it daily, including your rest days, as consistency is key for long-term benefits. Fourth, do pair it with carbs for better absorption. Taking creatine with any fruit juice or a meal can improve the absorption. Creatine isn't just a pre-workout supplement, it works best when taken consistently. Now let's talk about what not to do while taking creatine. First, do not dry scoop it. It needs water to dissolve and absorb properly. Second, don't overdose. Taking more than 5 grams a day won't give an extra benefit but cause bloating. Third, don't expect immediate results. Creatine takes few weeks to show its full effect, so be patient. Fourth, don't skip hydration. Not drinking enough water can lead to dehydration and cramps. Creatine is not a magic pill, but when taken correctly, it can take your performance to the next level. Creatine loading is when you take 20 grams per day, split into 4 doses for 5 to 7 days, then drop to 3 to 5 grams per day. But is it necessary? First, loading phase, faster muscle saturation, quicker strength gain. Second, standard dose 3 to 5 grams daily, takes few weeks to saturate but works as well as over time. If you want faster result, loading phase helps. But if you prefer steady and hassle-free approach, stick to 3 to 5 grams daily. When is the best time to take creatine? Here's what research says. First, before workout, helps with energy and strength during training. Second, after workout, enhance recovery and muscle replenishment. Third, anytime. Consistency matters more than timing. Take it whenever it fits your routine, but make sure to take it daily for best results. This is where Bold Nutrition Creatine stands out from the rest. 100% pure creatine monohydrate, the most researched and effective form. No fillers, no additives, only clean, science-backed ingredients. Ultra fine micronized powder, dissolves instantly with zero clumps. And of course, it mixes effortlessly with no gritty textures. Alright squad, now you know the do's and don'ts of the creatine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Bold Nutrition channel for more fitness and nutrition breakdown. And if you are ready to take your workout to the next level, Bold Nutrition Creatine is waiting for you. Link in the description. See you in the next one. Till then, stay fueled, stay strong and keep pushing your limits. Hey, what's good fam? It's your boy Parav Pandya from Bold Nutrition Fitness family, and we are back with another video. And today we are spilling the tea on something which whole fitness industry is talking about: creatine and muscle growth. Does it actually work or it's just another fitness fad? We are here to break it down. Okay, so does this stuff actually affect your gains? Creatine is effective for both short-term and long-term gains. It's not just for quick pump, it's a real deal. And it's not just for gym pros either. Whether you are sedentary, an OG staying strong or an elite athlete, creatine can help. There are tons of research backing this up. A 2022 study found that creatine supplements help healthy young adults build muscles. Another review from 2019 shows it can even improve muscle mass and strength in older adults. Plus, it can prevent falls, a major win. Some older studies said creatine can boost muscle fiber growth 2 to 3 times more than just working out. More research studies are a bit chill, but the results are still impressive. And get this, a massive review of popular supplement crowned creatine as the most effective for muscle mass. So if you are looking to take your fitness game to the next level, creatine is definitely worth checking out. But remember, it's not a magic. You still got to put work and eat right. Creatine can just help you maximize your gains. Key takeaways. First, creatine is scientifically proved to enhance muscle growth for both short-term and long-term scenarios. Second, it works by increasing phosphocreatine stores, leading a better energy availability for muscle contraction. Third, numerous studies support creatine effectiveness for increasing muscle mass and strength across different age groups. Fourth, creatine is considered the most effective supplement for muscle growth, but it's not just a replacement for hard work and proper nutrition. Alright, that's the real deal about creatine and muscle growth backed with science. If you have any questions or your experience using creatine, drop them in the comments down below. If you want to take your workout to the next level, don't forget to check out Bold Nutrition Creatine, link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bold Nutrition channel for more fitness and nutrition tips. See you in the next one. Till then, stay strong and stay fueled with Bold Nutrition. What's up Bold Fitness fam, it's your buddy Parav Pandya, and today we are tackling a question that's been haunting the fitness community. Does creatine make you gain weight? Like, are we talking about the soul gains or just the gains? We are separating facts from the myths and tossing the cap in the trash. Okay, so creatine, as you know, it's awesome for muscle gain, but the weight gain question keeps popping up. And honestly, there are lots of misinformation out there. So let's break it down. The truth is, creatine can cause slight weight gain, but it's usually due to water retention in your muscles. Think of it like your muscles are thirsty air and you start taking creatine. They soak up the water like a sponge. This can make you feel and look a little heavier, but not same as gaining fat. It's important to remember that water weight is temporary. It's not like you are going to balloon up overnight. And honestly, that water retention can be a good thing. It helps your muscle function better and look you more pumped up. Now, some people might experience a little bit of weight gain from their actual muscle gain, which is, the goal. But that's the good thing. That's the kind of weight gain we are all after. It's not fable weight, it's the soul weight. Now, let's tackle some myths head on. Myth 1. Creatine makes you bloated and puffy. Facts. While there is initial water retention, it's mostly intercellular, not under your skin, so it won't make you look bloated. Myth 2. Creatine causes fat gain. Fact. Nope. Creatine doesn't magically turn into fat. If you are gaining fat while on creatine, it's likely due to the other factors like your diet and training. Myth 3. Creatine weight gain is permanent. Fact. As mentioned, water weight is temporary. Once your muscles are saturated, the excess water will level out. So, does creatine cause weight gain? The short answer is it can, but it's mostly the water weight and potentially an awesome muscle gain. So don't let the fear hold you back from the benefits of creatine. It's safe, effective and can help you to crush your fitness goals. Key takeaways. Creatine can cause temporary water gain due to the increase of water retention in muscles. This water weight is not fat and can actually be beneficial for muscle function and better appearance. Some weight gain may occur due to increase in muscle mass, which is positively outcome. Creatine itself does not cause fat gain. Don't let the fear of weight gain prevent you from using creatine to enhance your fitness journey. Remember, if you have any concern about taking creatine, it's a good idea to talk to the doctor or any health professionals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Bolt Nutrition channel for more fitness and nutrition tips. If you have any questions or your experience using creatine, drop them in the comments down below. See you in the next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay fueled with Bolt Nutrition. Hi guys, we are back with another video and today we are talking about all things creatine. Specifically, how to take this stuff, and we are talking about loading, maintenance and timing to take creatine. Because let's be real, nobody wants to waste their gains, right? So if you are ready to maximize your creatine intake, keep watching. First things first. Basically, loading is a quick way to saturate your muscles with creatine. Think of it like priming the pump. The most common method is loading phase, where you take higher dose for short period, followed by a lower maintenance phase. But some people avoid loading phase and start with maintenance dose, which is 3 to 5 grams per day. That's cool too. It might take a little longer to see the full effects, but it still works. It's like choosing between fast travel and taking a scenic route. Both get you there, but at different speed. Okay, so what about the timing? When should you take your creatine? Honestly, the research are mixed up on this. Some people try to take it on the post-workout, while another take it whenever they like. The most important thing is consistency. Pick a time which works for you and stick to it. Think of it like it's your daily vitamin. Make it your habit. Now, what about mixing it? Creatine monohydrate usually comes in powder form, so you can mix it with water, juice and even with protein shake. Just make sure it dissolves properly. Nobody wants that chunky creatine. Am I right? Here's the thing about creatine. It pulls the water in your muscles. So it's super important to stay hydrated throughout the day, especially when you're taking creatine. Aim for a gallon of water per day, or even more if you are training harder or living in a hot climate. Remember fam, creatine works best with the combination of consistent resistance training and a balanced diet. It's not the magic pill. You got to put work in it. Creatine will just help you to maximize your effect. Key takeaways. First, loading. Optimal but can speed up the muscle saturation. Second, maintenance. Essential for continuous benefits. 3 to 5 grams per day. Third, timing. Not crucial. Consistency is the key. Fourth, mixing. Dissolve properly with water, juice or protein shakes. Fifth, hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Remember, if you have any questions about creatine or how to incorporate it in your routine, it's better to talk to a certified trainer or a healthcare professional. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Bolt Nutrition channel for more fitness and nutrition tips. If you want to share your creatine routine, drop them in the comments down below. See you in the next one. Till then, stay fueled with Bolt Nutrition. Hey Bolt Nutrition fam, today we are talking about something super important, especially if you are thinking to add creatine in your routine. Who should avoid taking creatine? While creatine is generally safe and effective for most of the people, it's not for everyone. So listen up, as this is very crucial. Just a head up, I am not a doctor. This video isn't medical advice. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, including creatine. This is just for informational purpose. Now generally, healthy adults can take creatine without any major issues. But there are certain group of people who should probably be extra cautious. First up, people with kidney problem. Creatine is processed by kidneys. So if they are already not functioning at 100%, it could potentially cause problems. If you have any history of kidney issues, definitely talk to a doctor before even thinking about creatine. Better safe than sorry, right? Next up, people with liver issue. Similar to kidneys, the liver plays a role in processing creatine. So if you have any liver problems, consult your doctor. Also, if you have any history of bipolar disorder or any mental health condition, it's important to talk to your doctor. Some studies have suggested a possible link between creatine and mood changes, though more research is needed. Just be cautious. Another group to be mindful of is pregnant or breastfeeding women. There are not enough research on the effects of creatine during pregnancy or breastfeeding, so it's generally recommended to avoid it. Safety first. And finally, while less common, some people might experience mild side effects of creatine, just like stomach cramps, diarrhea and bloating. If you experience any of this, stop taking creatine and talk to your doctor. So, to sum it up, if you have any kidney or liver problems, a history of mental health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or experiencing any weird side effect, definitely talk to your doctor before taking creatine. Alright, that's it for today's video. Remember, this was only for general information. Always consult to a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. Till then, stay safe, stay fit, and we will catch you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to Bold Nutrition channel. I am Parav Pandya, and today we are tackling a topic that has been buzzing in the fitness world. Creatine specifically. Can women take it? Is it safe? Or will it turn you into a She-Hulk overnight? We are busting the myths and serving up the facts. So if you are a woman looking up to level up your fitness game, you are at the right place. Let's get it. Before we get into anything else, keep this. Yes, creatine can be taken by women. There's absolutely no reason why it should be kept exclusive for the guys. You all deserve those gains too, right? Creatine is naturally occurring compound that helps your muscles to produce energy during high intensity exercise. Think of it as a power up for your workout. It can help you lift heavier, push harder, and ultimately build more muscle. And the benefits for women are real. We are talking increase in strength, better power output, better muscle growth, and even enhanced brain function. Yes, queen, creatine isn't just about getting bulky, which is, by the way, is really hard for one to do it naturally. So no worries about turning into a bodybuilder overnight. It's all about getting stronger, fitter, and feeling your absolute best. Now, let's talk about the myths. There's an idea that creatine is only for men. It will make you bulky or it's unsafe. All of this is straight of false. Science has shown that creatine is safe and effective for both men and women, and it won't magically turn you into a muscle monster unless it's your goal. Then go for it. But for most of us, it will help you to get stronger and in better shape. Another myth is creatine causes water retention. While some people might experience a slight increase in water weight initially, but it's temporary and not to worry about. Plus, staying hydrated is always important, whether you are taking creatine or not. So always remember to stay hydrated. If you are thinking about trying creatine monohydrate is the best option, as it's the most researched and the most affordable. So there you have it. Women can take creatine and it's super beneficial for your fitness goals. So don't let the myth scare you. Do your research, talk to your doctor, and if you have decided to try it, then get ready to crush your workouts. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips, and comment down your creatine experience. See you in the next one. Hey Bold Fitness fam, I am Parav Pandya and today we are back with another video. I know you have been wondering how you can consume creatine only through natural sources. We are not talking about supplements today. We are diving into natural sources of creatine. Are they enough to fuel your fitness journey? So let's get into it. Okay, so we all know creatine is a game changer for muscle growth and performance. But where does it come from naturally? We mainly find it in the animal products like red meat and fish. Think steak, tuna, salmon. The good stuff, right? Now, here is the tea. These foods do contain creatine, but the amount they possess are pretty small. Like you have to eat a ton of steak to get the same amount of creatine you can get from the one scoop of supplement. We are talking a pound of meat. Who's gonna do this every day? not me. So while incorporating these foods in your diet is definitely good idea for overall health, relying on them only for the creatine needs probably not gonna cut it, especially if you are serious about your fitness goals. Think about it, even if you are a meat lover, it can be hard to consistently eat enough to maximize your creatine sources. Plus, cooking and preparing all the meat take time and effort. Ain't nobody got time for that. Especially when you're trying to hit gym, prepare your meal and still have a life. And what about our vegan and vegetarian family? Creatine is primarily found in animal products, so they might be missing out entirely. That's where supplements are super helpful. Supplements are convenient and effective way to ensure you are getting enough creatine to support your workout and muscle growth. They all are pretty affordable too. Now, I'm not saying to ditch steak and fish. They are still great source of protein and nutrients. But if you want to maximize your gains, creatine supplement is something you should definitely check out. So there you have it. Natural sources of creatine are good, but they are probably not enough to optimize your performance. That's where supplements can be a game changer. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. Share your creatine routine in the comments down below. See you in the next one. Hi guys, Parvo this side, back with another fitness controversy. Backed by popular demand, we are Bolt Fitness family and we will tackle the ultimate showdown, creatine versus other performance boosters. Everyone's looking for that edge to level up their fitness game. But is creatine really the best? Or are there other options out there that can give you more gains? We are diving deep into the science, breaking down the pros and cons. So if you are here to maximize your performance, stick around. Okay, so we all know creatine. It's the king of supplement world, right? But what exactly does it do? Creatine helps your muscles to produce energy during high intensity exercise. It's like turbo boost for your workouts, helping you push harder and build more muscle. But what about other options like pre-workout, whey protein, BCAA or even steroids? Let's start with pre-workout. These are basically energy drinks but on steroids. Not literally, chill. They contain caffeine and other stimulants that can give you quick boost of energy. They can help you feel more energized during your workout. But they can also cause jitters, anxiety and crashes. Plus, you can build up tolerance on them, meaning you need more and more for the same effect. Not ideal. Then we have protein powder. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, so it's a convenient way to make sure you're getting enough of it. But it's not a performance booster in the same way as creatine. It's more like a building block you need to recover and grow. BCAA or branched chain amino acids are another popular supplement. They can help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, but their impact on your performance is less than creatine. Now, let's talk about elephant in the room, steroids. These are synthesized hormones that can dramatically increase your muscle mass and strength. But they come with a whole lot of serious side effects, including heart problem, liver damage and hormonal imbalance too. They are also illegal without prescription. So yeah, hard pass on that, not worth the risk. So, where does creatine fits into all of this? Well, it's the most researched and safest supplement to boost your performance. So you don't need to worry about jitters or crash. And it's not a hormone, so you don't need to worry about messing your body's natural process. It simply helps your muscles to work more efficiently. Of course, everyone has a different body. What works for one won't work for another. It's always a good idea to do research and talk to a doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplement. Creatine is definitely a top contender when it comes to boosting your performance, especially for muscle growth and strength. But it's important to be informed about all your options and make the best choice according to your goals and needs.